everyone, welcome to Metro News, Lifeline of your city. Myself, Disha. Cybersecurity spending is growing across sectors, but preventing data losses caused by cyber attacks is proving to be a tough task for many companies. Around 70% of companies in India use as many as 10 solutions simultaneously for data protection and cybersecurity, while 30% run more than 10, yet 57% of them suffered unexpected downtime due to the data loss in the one last year, shows a newly survey. The survey found that 20% of IT professionals in India, as compared to 13% globally, don't know if their organization is subject to data privacy regulations. Security experts believe lack of this insight takes the onus away from IT team from implementing strategies to prevent data losses. Aeronicus, a Singapore-based cybersecurity company. Downtime can lead to huge loss of revenue and reputation for organization. It can also lead to heavy penalty under data protection law. Security experts have time and again emphasized that investigating in multiple solutions does not necessarily enhance security. Most often, it increases compatibility and reduces visibility for the IT team, resulting in heightened risk. Rustam, General Manager, South Asia at Aeronicus, points to more solutions do not deliver greater protection, as using separate tools to address individuals' types of exposure is complicated, inefficient, and costly. For the survey, Aeronicus interviewed 4,400 IT users and professionals in 22 countries, including India. The report further dwells on the lack of transparency in cybersecurity practices, which complicates things for IT team. For instance, it was found that 35% of IT users and 11% of IT professionals in India could not tell if their data had been modified without their knowledge, as compared to 63% and 16% of the global counterparts, respectively. In most cases, the solution used by them made finding that difficult. India is in the process of rolling out its data protection law on the lines of Europe's General Data Protection Regulation (GDPR). The Personal Data Protection Bill 2019 is currently being analyzed by a joint parliamentary committee and is expected to label in the House sometime this year. Last month, Union Home Ministry informed Parliament that cyber attacks on Indian entities rose almost 300% in 2020 to reach 1 crore 1 lakh 58,000 from 3,94,500 attacks detected in 2019. For the survey, Aeronicus interviewed 4,400 IT users and professionals in 22 countries, including India.